I've seen coughs, thousands of them. Dry cough, wet cough, night cough, stubborn cough. But this one refused to leave. This one hit something deeper. Her name was Elena, 42 years old, office worker. She walked into the clinic with a mask on, coughing into her elbow carefully. But the moment she sat down, I knew something was different. This wasn't just a cough. She said, "Nurse, I've been coughing for 3 months. I've taken cough syrups. I've taken ginger, garlic, honey, even antibiotics someone recommended. 3 months? A cough that long is a message the body is shouting." I checked her vitals. Temperature slightly elevated. Oxygen saturation a bit low. Breathing heavy, strained. Chest tight. Her eyes looked tired, not from lack of sleep, but from carrying something heavier. When the doctor ordered a chest X-ray, she hesitated. She whispered, "I'm scared of what they will find." And that is something many patients feel. People fear answers, even when answers save lives. The X-ray came back. The doctor gently placed it on the light board, and a shadow appeared in the upper lung. Not small, not insignificant, not just cough. Elena had pulmonary tuberculosis. The moment she heard the word TB, tears fell from her eyes. She said, "But I'm clean, I'm careful, I don't smoke." And I told her, TB doesn't care about status, job, beauty, or habits. Anyone can get it, anyone can spread it, and anyone can survive it if caught early. She started treatment immediately. Daily medication, regular follow-ups, isolation for a short period, proper nutrition. The first 2 weeks were hard, very hard. She cried, she felt lonely, she felt ashamed. I reminded her, illness is not shame, not asking for help is. And slowly, her cough reduced, her breathing softened, her energy improved, her eyes regained their light. A cough that lasts more than 2 weeks is never ordinary. It's a message, a warning, a call to check your lungs, your health, your life. Elena survived because she decided to know the truth, even though it scared her. Sometimes the thing we fear becoming aware of is the thing that saves us.